Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math J Academy. So today I am going to introduce you the very interesting playlist, the Daily Brain Booster Problem. You can enter into my channel Math J Academy. You can find out the playlist Daily Brain Booster Problem. So DPP, Daily Practiced Problem, right? So that questions will be completely difficult level, which you are facing difficult. So I will analyze all aspect of the student's mind. So I will explain the step by step, okay, with a graphical approach and algebraic approach, okay. Today, let me start with the first day. The first question, you can see that if the area of the region x comma y such that 1 plus x square less than or equal to y less than or equal to the minimum of x plus 7, 11 minus 3x. This is 2025 questions, okay. Is A, then 15 times A is what? Okay, then how to solve this question? Some of the students are facing difficulty in the minimum of the two functions. So I already posted many videos. So if you're not yet watched, please watch my videos, okay. You can see the first thing, area under the curve you need to find out, right? First, what other thing is there? First, you can split it. Okay, first thing is, you can see 1 plus x square, that is equal to y. And then the second thing is y is equal to the minimum of x plus 7 and 11 minus 3x. Okay. So what you can do first, you have to draw the figure separately. Y is equal to, how to draw this? Very simple. Let's take the reference graph here is what? X square graph. Y is equal to x square. So x square is the output value. X is any real number. X square is the output. So you have to, you can figure it out in the y-axis, right? So parabola, right? You shift 1 unit up. 1 unit up. This is the graph. Clear? Y is equal to x square plus 1. So understand? Okay. Then how to draw the graph of this x plus 7, minimum of x plus 7 and 11 minus 3x? How to do this? First, where these two graphs are intersecting, first you find out. Whenever this kind of question is there, you have to equate the graph. Equate this. X plus 7 is equal to 11 minus 3x. So you can simplify this. X plus 3x is equal to 11 minus 7. Clear? This is 4x equal to, so 11 minus 7 is what? 4, right? Therefore, x equal to 1. X plus 7 and 11 minus 3x intersect at which point? X equal to 1. Clear? Okay. Now you have to draw the graph, right? So how to redefine the functions first? First, you have to fill it on the number line. 1 is the breaking point here. So this point only, these two graphs are intersecting. Okay, fine. So first case 1, you can take if x is strictly less than 1. Okay, what is the minimum of these two functions you have to take? So minimum of x plus 7 and 11 minus 3x. Let me take x less than 2, let us take 0. Let's take easy number. 7 here, 11 minus, so here is what? X is 0 means what? 7, here is 11. Which is the minimum here? The first function x plus 7 is the minimum, right? Let me take case 2. Case 2, you can take x is greater than or equal to 1. So what is the minimum possibilities there? Minimum of x plus 7 and 11 minus 3x, which is the minimum. Let me take more than or equal to 2. Let us take 2. Let us 2 plus 7 is 9. 11 minus, so 3 into 2 is what? 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. Here is 9 is there. 9 and 5, which is the minimum. Second function is the minimum, right? So 11 minus 3x is the minimum. Clear? I hope everyone understand, right? Okay. Now you have to draw the graph of this. Okay. First you can see, take the graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Fix 1 here, this is 1. So when x is less than 1, the minimum of the graph is what? X plus 7. Put x equal to 1, it will be 8. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you can take. This is your point, 8. You can see, if less than 1 means 0 will be there. Where this graph intersecting the y-axis? Y-axis means put x 0. Put x is 0 here, 7, right? Understand, this is y, right? You take this is y. Put x is 0, y would be 7, right? You can see here 7 here. The graph is like this. Okay? Understand? Then if you take more than 1, what is the graph? More than 1 is, the graph will be 11 minus 3x. X plus 7 means what? Y is equal to x is there. No, you shifted 7 unit up. It's a graph. 11 minus, you can see, what is that? 11 minus 3x equal to y is there. If you more than 2 you can take. Suppose if you take 1, 11 minus 3 is 8, right? Okay. The graph will be 8. So if you put 1 here, 1. Where this graph is intersecting the y-axis, first you have to understand this. Sorry, y-axis not possible here. X-axis you have to find out. X-axis means you put y is equal to 0. Y 0 means 11 is equal to 3x. Then means x equal to 11 by 3. 11 by 3 is what? 3 point something, right? So 3 point something. Let us take here 2. This is 3. So let's take this is 4. This is the point, right? It will be intersect like this. Yes, this is the graph. Clear? This is y is equal to 11 minus 3x. This is y is equal. The intersection point here is this. This is 1 comma 8. Otherwise, I'll choose another color. 1 comma 8. Okay. Now you have to draw the first graph. Y is equal to x square plus 1. You know x square graph. Y is equal to x square graph. This one. You can shift 1 unit up. So you can shift 1 unit up. This is the graph. Understand? First you have to find out where these two graphs are intersecting here. This point and this point you have to find out. Understand? Okay. You can see, first this is x square graph, x square plus 1 is equal to, what is that? 11 minus 3x. You can equate it, 11 minus 3x, x square plus 1 minus 11 plus 3x equal to 0. Then x square plus 3x, 1 minus 11 will be minus 10, right? Equal to 0. The product is minus 10 and the sum is plus 3. So 5 into 2 you can write 5 minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 5 minus 2 will be plus 3. That means x plus 5 into x minus 2 equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 2, right? That means the intersection point here is what? This is your intersection, right? This point is 2. If you put 2 here, what is the y value here? Y is 11 minus 3 into 2. If you put here, y is equal to 11 minus 6, y is equal to 5. 2 comma 5. Understand? Let's take this point. So where these two curves are intersecting, which two curves? Y is equal to x square plus 1 and y is equal to x plus 1. Now you can equate this. X square plus 1 is equal to x plus 7. X square minus x plus 1 minus 7 equal to 0. Correct? X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. The product is minus 6, sum is minus 1. That means 3 into 2 you can write, but we need minus 1 is required. So what we can do, minus 3, 2 you can write now. So you can see x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. If I take x common, x minus 3 plus 2 you take common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0, that is x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 2. So therefore here is a negative x-axis now. So which one is possible? The minus 2. This is minus 2, right? Minus 2, if you put y is equal to, here is, what will get? So y is equal to plus 5. The same, this point is minus 2 comma 5. Okay, fine. Now you can see the given question. The y should be 1 plus x square. So y is more than this, and y should be less than or equal to minimum of this function. Below that minimum or more than the x square plus 1 graph, right? So that means what? It's more than this, means this versions, right? Correct? Minimum and less than the minimum means this complete graph, right? So in this is the graph, right? But you have to divide the curve, right? Because the both graph, or you can see intersect at here is 1, right? Splitting the graph in less than 1, more than 1, right? So what we can do, so you have to break this, right, into 2 part. Okay, so we need this portions, okay, and then this portions. Clear? Now how to find out this? You have to integrate from minus 2 to 1 and then 1 to 2, right? 1 to 2. So you have to integrate minus 2 to 1. You can see these kind of questions, how to find the area under the curve. The area between the curves we need to find out. Upper function minus lower function, you have to do it. What is upper function here? X plus 7, upper function, minus lower function. Lower function you can see minus 2 to 1, which is the lower function, x square plus 1 into dx, okay, plus 1 to 2, which is upper functions. 1 to 2 you can see the upper function is 11 minus 3x. 11 minus 3x minus the lower function is the parabola x square plus 1 into dx. That's all. Understand all of you? Okay. Then how to find out this area? Let me take another page. So minus 1, upper function here is what? X plus 7 minus x square plus 1 into dx. And then 1 to 2, which is upper function, 11 minus 3x minus x square plus 1 into dx. Clear? You can check once. You can see x plus 7 minus x square plus 1 and 11 minus 3x minus x square plus 1. Yes, good. 1 to 2, yes, correct or not? Yes. 11 minus 3x. Yes. Okay. Find out minus 2 to 1. So you can see 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 plus x minus x square into dx. Plus here is 1 to 2. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 minus 3x minus x square into dx. Clear? Okay. So you can integrate this one. So 6x, because 6 into integration dx is what? X, dx integration x plus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. You can apply the limit minus 2 to 1. Okay, next 1 to 2, you have to integrate, no? Directly you can integrate. So 10 times x minus 3 x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. So 1 to 2 here, right? So 6 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, just I am applying the upper limit, right? 6 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, upper limit, minus lower limit you can apply minus 12. Minus 2 square is what? Plus 4 by 2. Minus 2 cube is what? Minus 8. Here minus is there. Plus 8 by 3. Plus upper limit you can apply 10 into 2 minus 3 into 4 by 2. 2 square is 4. 4 by 2 minus 2 cube is 8 by 3. This upper function minus lower functions 10 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. Now you can simplify this. 6 plus, you take the LCM 6, 3 minus 2 minus 12 plus you can take LCM 6. So 3 you can multiply 12 plus you have to multiply 2 16, right? Here plus, so 20. So here is 1 times, here is 2 times minus 6 minus 8 by 3 minus here is, so 10 minus if you take common 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Clear? Okay, now you can simplify this. 6 plus 3 minus 2 is 1 by 6 minus 12 plus 12 plus 16 is what? 28 by 6. So here is 20 minus 6 is what? It is 14, right? 14 minus 8 by 3 minus 10 minus, you take the LCM 6, right? Multiply by 3 means 9, multiply 2 means plus 2. Clear? Now you can simplify further here. 6 plus 1 by 6, take the LCM 6 here. So 36 plus 1 minus, here you can see the minus, the here you take the LCM 6, what will get? Minus 72 plus 28, right? Plus 28 plus here is take the LCM is 3. So 14 into 3 is what? 30, 42. 42 minus 8, right? 8 minus the lower limit. You can see, you can take the 6 LCM. 6 LCM. So 60 minus 11, right? This minus 11. That's all, right? Okay, now you can simplify this. So what will get? 37 by 6 minus 72. So 72 minus 28, how much it will be? 12. If you 8 remove, it is 4, it is 6. So 44 will come. Minus 44 by 6. Correct? Check it once. 60, 72. Yes, correct. Minus 44 by 6 plus. So 42, if you 2 remove, it is 40. 6 you remove means 34 by 3. 34. Yes, so plus 7, 6 is what? 40, 42. Yes, correct. Minus 60. If you 10, you can remove, no? It is 50, 49. 49, right? 49 by So I'm doing correct or not? 34 minus 34 by 3 minus 49 by 6. Yes, correct. Now you can simplify this minus into minus plus 37 by 6 plus 44 by 6 plus you take the LCM 6 here, you have to multiply by 2. 34 into 2 is what? 68. 68 minus 49. Okay. I think everyone understand, right? So now you can take this one. 37. Take the LCM 6. 37 plus 44. 37 plus 44, how much it will be? 81, right? So 70, 81. Yes. 81 by 6 plus 68 minus 49. 68 minus 49 is 18, 9. So 5, 1, 9, right? 50 and 18, 68. 19 over 6. The whole things you can take the LCM 6. So 81 plus 19, 100, right? Check it once. 80, 90, 100, yes. 100 by 60. So here is 50 times 2. Here is 3 times 2 is 6. So 50 over 3 is your area of the area under the curve. Area between the minimum and the parabola curve, right? 50 by 3 square unit. Then what they're asking actually, in this question, what they're asking, you can see in the question, you can see here, area of this area of this one will be A. Then 15 times A they're asking. 15 into 50 by 3 is the area. So 1 times here is how many times possible? 5 times, right? So therefore the 5 into 50 is what? So 250 is your answer, right? I hope everyone understand. Okay. Yes, correct. 250 square unit is the correct answer. So I will post you daily this kind of tricky questions, daily brain booster questions. So you can daily, whenever have the free time is there, just to watch the video, you can find the techniques how to draw the graph of minimum of the 2 function or 3 functions or 4 functions, how to find out how to draw the shifting graph, translation or compressing and expanding. All the graphs techniques I will teach you coming days. You can watch continuously. Okay, you can, if you not subscribe yet, please subscribe my channel, so you can learn lot of things which is required for JEE. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you.